Good morning, class. So today we are looking at chapter 14, lesson 2. We will be drawing parallel and perpendicular lines. You can describe lines, rays, and line segments by the way they cross each other or do not cross each other. So we're going to look at parallel lines. So this is the first key concept. Parallel lines are always the same distance apart. They do not meet. So here's the model. So line AB is parallel to line CD. Okay, the symbol means parallel. So this symbol means parallel. Okay, so an example is that these two lines will have the same distance apart. Okay, so this is their distance apart. Okay, same with this example. So these two line segments will always be the same distance apart and they will never meet. All right. Key concept, type of lines. We're also going to talk about intersecting lines. Lines that meet or cross each other are called intersecting lines. So example, line AB intersects or crosses line CD. So AB intersects CD. Okay. We're also going to talk about perpendicular lines. Lines that meet or cross each other to form square corners are called perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines, they cross and they cross at a 90-degree angle. Okay, so line AB is perpendicular to line CD, and this symbol means it's a square corner and that they're crossing at exactly 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the symbol that means perpendicular. Line AB is perpendicular to line CD. All right, so let's look at, let me see, the first example or first question. It says, describe the line segments outlined on the tennis racket. So go ahead and think, are these two line segments parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular? You can pause the video and think about it. All right, so these two line segments are the same distance apart and they will never cross. So these are called parallel lines. All right, let's look at some more. So these you can do on your own. Just write parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting, or type it out on the Google form. I'm going to do numbers, let's see, I'll do 2 with you, okay? For numbers 4 through 7, you will not need to submit the answers to me on Google form because you are drawing these on your own paper. So number 4, line DE is parallel to line FG. Okay, so take a moment to draw that out. You can pause the video if you need more time. All right, so I'm going to go DE is parallel to line FG. Okay, you could have also done it, I'm doing it vertically, but you could have also done it horizontally. Okay, all right, and they will never cross because they're parallel. Number 5 says line RS intersects line TU. Okay, so pause the video and draw that out. Okay, so I'm going to do line RS intersects line TU. And notice that I am not crossing it at a 90-degree angle, okay, because they're not perpendicular, they're just intersecting. All right, go ahead and try the rest on your own.